We'll guide you through how to understand what Stripe is and how it can benefit your business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website by typing stripe.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Stripe is a powerful and flexible internet payment processing system designed to help businesses accept payments online. Once on the homepage, you can read an overview of Stripe's capabilities, which include handling everything from online payments to billing and even fraud prevention. You can click on the Products section in the top menu to explore various services like Stripe Payments, Billing, Connect, and more. Stripe Payments, for instance, allows you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and other payment methods securely and efficiently. If you're looking to manage subscriptions and recurring billing, Stripe Billing offers tools to do just that. For businesses wanting to manage payouts to third parties, Stripe Connect is ideal. Each product page provides detailed information and case studies showing how businesses like yours have successfully integrated Stripe. To get started with Stripe, you need to create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Fill out the necessary details like your email, full name, and password. After signing up, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can begin setting up your payment processes. Stripe provides an intuitive dashboard to manage your transactions, view analytics, and configure your account settings. It's also important to note that Stripe supports multiple currencies and provides extensive documentation for developers, making it easy to integrate with your existing systems. Stripe's scalability and security make it a trustworthy choice for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Stripe is designed to grow with you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.